So welcome to McKinney-Boyd High School Video Game Design course. In this course, we will explore 4 different areas, the first being indie games versus AAA games. Students will be creating their own businesses, developing licenses, taking a look and understanding truly how copyright and trademarks work within video games, and then funding for the games themselves. Then we move on to the second part, which is game design. The students will be looking at the game mechanics, not just the elements, but also the principles of design and how they work together. In other words, how difficult to make the game itself, how to work things together. They'll take a look at the game engines and seeing how everything is managed within it, preparing for the coding side. They'll look at the logistics, creating flowcharts and understanding how the player themselves work their way through the game, understanding the problems and whether or not they need to be being provided some sort of gaming guide. The third area is coding. So this is where the students actually code the video game itself. They're going to take a look at the different platforms. They're also going to look at recording their own sound, manipulating their own sound files, creating their own animation and image for the game itself, and then finally creating a prototype level by level so that we can move into the fourth area, which is actually dealing with the game testing itself. So within that, the students not only debug the game, they're looking for cheats and hacks to make the game easier and or more difficult for the players to use. They're also going to be creating a walkthrough so that the player knows exactly what's expected of them at each level and to kind of guide them, especially if the game itself can be too difficult. I hope you are looking forward to video game design, and we will see you next year.